The MetaQuest 2 Advanced. A game changer for immersive experiences. Imagine stepping into a world that's entirely yours, where you can explore, create, and connect with others in ways that feel as real as life itself. That's what the MetaQuest 2 Advanced offers, and trust me, it's a total game changer. I was a bit skeptical at first. I'd heard all sorts of hype about virtual reality headsets, but I wasn't sure if they lived up to the promise. But from the moment I put on the Quest 2 Advanced, I knew I was in for something special. First, let's talk about the controls. The hand tracking and easy-to-use controllers work together seamlessly, allowing you to pick up virtual objects, grab onto distant surfaces, or even give your avatar a friendly hug. It's incredibly intuitive and feels just like using a real pair of hands. But what really blew me away was the audio. 3D positional audio makes the experience feel truly immersive. Imagine being able to pinpoint exactly where a sound is coming from, no matter how distant. It's like having your own personal surround sound system right in front of you. Now, let's talk about the content. The Quest 2 Advanced has an expanding universe of over 500 titles across gaming, fitness, social/multiplayer, and entertainment. That's a lot of options. From blockbuster fantasies to scare-your-wits-off horror adventures. There's something for everyone. And with exclusive releases and totally unique VR experiences, you'll never get bored. But it's not just about the games. The Quest 2 Advanced is also an incredible tool for fitness and wellness. With wireless controls and a built-in battery, you can move freely and exercise without any hassle. Plus, the social spaces and multiplayer arenas are perfect for connecting with friends and family in ways that feel truly special. One of my favorite features is the ability to set up your own designated play space. It's like having your very own virtual sandbox. And if you're concerned about safety, don't worry. There are alerts if you move outside of the space, so you can stay safe while still having a blast. The Quest 2 Advanced is also ridiculously portable. Just toss it in your bag or backpack and take it with you wherever you go. Plus, it's self-contained, so you don't need any extra equipment to get started. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't VR still a bit gimmicky? But trust me, the MetaQuest 2 Advanced is the real deal. It's an all-in-one system that truly sets you free to explore in VR. Simply put on the headset and enter fully immersive worlds. The built-in battery, fast processor, and immersive graphics keep your experience smooth and seamless. The possibilities are endless with the Quest 2 Advanced. From exploring new universes and meeting new people, to starting epic adventures with friends or adding more fun to your fitness routine. It's a total game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment, social connections, or personal productivity. So what are you waiting for? Click that link below and get ready to experience the future of virtual reality. Your life will never be the same.